Many people falling between the 18 to 44 age group who stood in line for hours today at the vaccination centers to be vaccinated had to return home crestfallen after they were denied the vaccine on the group of a technicality. They had failed to register online for the vaccine, but are they really to be blamed? Those who had to return home disappointed remarked that they have no knowledge of how the internet works, hence they were unable to make any headway in this regard. Those who did complain of the fact that the CoWIN website keeps crashing or had issues did not allow them to complete their registration and booking. Such a cumbersome system adopted by the government, according to those who spoke to the media, is a stumbling block for many who are illiterate and without access to the internet.
Ngimut ban eye injection teman ngiladep register teman dawan hang ne ngim yo inject tengim tip to mangi ban lek kumno kene ka apps tengi ong ngiladep ngalek tang ka register teman dapoi hang ne de ki ong mlong ki ong hap lek hap booking tengi pada tip to ban booking kum ta ngilak yang lain ar kenta lai kenta te mentang hap lek phai no si yang hap book biang ngila adu no
ki ong ba ngiwat kerteng te ki pak wat kerteng te ngila wat pat kamdan ra tingi kali kan ba ngila ada register na do app kandai te ngila ada register te kalau apa registration ke reference number te ngida mo labiang kan ngila try ban schedule ro atau ka app ngila schedule tambah kamdan ra atau ka app accept button te ban book ba ban penting na ba book tingi ong lak biang kato te perbuan mentapat ki ong ba mdan kerteng te ki ong ba kadan sak kato kawai ba habuk badan long kalong pair te ki website ki app kam da biang tikenara tingi le mentu te mentapek nyawan ngidang mut nyo nyo syo ngi hap up hadin no tayo ke long ngiru ban ting dunanet kanet work kamya ra you have register si register te kan ka app ka crash ta kamlong ra kan kamlong kenara